Hi, so today's video we learn about repetitive statement. A repetitive statement is a statement that allows you to execute one or more other statement multiple times. There are several kinds of repetitive statements and they differ on how they determine the number of times their included statement is executed. A repetitive statement is often called a loop because when the execution reaches the end of the repetitive statements, it allows back at the beginning of the repetitive statements. The loops can be either pre-test loop or post-test loop. In pre-test loop, the condition is checked before beginning of each iteration, while in post-test loop, the code is executed once after the completion of the loop the destination is tested. There are three types of repetition statement, which is for and while is for pre-test loop and do while is post-test loop. C language has two special unary operators called increment and decrement operators. These operators increment or decrement value of a variable by 1. There are two types, which is prefix and postfix. The first one is pre-increment, or we can call it prefix. Since the plus plus is prefix, the value of C will be incremented immediately, while in post-increment, or we can call it postfix, since the plus plus is postfix, the current value of while will be used in the expression and then it will be incremented. While loop is a pre-test loop as the condition is placed at the beginning of the loop. So this is the example. The loop is initializing by assigning the condition, which is counter is less than 5, is evaluated. As the result of evaluation is less than 5, statements within the loop are executed and the counter variable is updated by increment it by 1. Again, the test expression is evaluated. This process will continue till the result of counter is equals to 5. Do while loop is just like while loop except the condition is checked at the end of the loop rather than the start. This loop is executed at least once. This is an example. I rewrite the program before, which is to find the average of 5 marks entered by user with do while statement. I use do while loop here to scan 5 consecutive values that entered by user. This will make the statements in the braces to be executed at least once. At the exit of this block, the test condition is placed to check if numbers are not added. For loop is similar to while, it just written differently and provides a more concise loop control structure. This is the example. This program is to find the sum of first 10 positive even number and sum of their squares. In the for statement, the variable I is initialized to equals to and the test condition is less than 20. Here, the counter variable is increment it by 2. If the value of the control variable is satisfied, the body of the loop is again executed. The process goes on till the control variable fails to satisfy the condition. So here is the output. We can use special control statement, which is first we will learn about break. Break keyword is used to stop the current execution where it is used. The execution from the current statement is terminated and the control is transferred to statements outside the loop. Break statement is used in loop constructs such as for, while, do while, and switch. Let's see how break works and how it is implemented in programs. If the user enters negative ones, then the loop breaks and the control is transferred to the next statement after the loop. So let's see the output. Second is continue. Continue is used to stop the current iteration and jump on to the next iteration. Continue statement does not terminate the loop, but it goes on the test condition to check the test condition in do while, and it updates the expression in for loops. Now, let's see how continue works. If check whether x is equals to 5. If true, then we place continue here in the if blocks continue, we'll make the control jump onto the test condition. Now let's see the result. So that's all for repetitive statement. We will see in my next video for experiment 4, which is function. Bye.